Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can crop in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, this device, Pia Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and so on. And right here in the center, you're going to find the option to start a new project. Here you can open from your computer. Right here, you can choose a template and you can also install Photopea. So right now, I'm going to click on a new project. Once you click on new projects, you're going to be right here in the screen. So once here, you can choose a name for your project. Right here, you can choose the width, the height, and also the DPI. And right here, you can choose a background color for your project. Right here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to choose a size for your image. So I'm going to choose, for example, this size, click on create, and now it's created. So basically, guys, once you're here, if you want to add your image, just click on file and then click on open right here. Then choose any image that you want from your computer. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Once you add it, it will appear here in the layers. So right now, if you want to crop your image, firstly, go ahead and select its layer right here. And then here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find the crop tool. Go ahead and click on it. And then as you can see, guys, like this, you can crop your image. So this is it, guys, for today's video. And I hope it was helpful for you guys. So after you finish cropping your image, make sure you save your changes, go to file and then click on save. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.